How to contact support in Beautiful.ai. Contacting support in Beautiful.ai is simple. The fastest way to get in touch is email by using the address support@beautiful.ai. If you want to troubleshoot yourself, you can access the Help Center website at support.beautiful.ai. Here, you can search through our forum of frequently asked questions, or you can submit a request. Keep in mind that when you submit a request, make sure to include as much detail to your issue as possible to avoid any needless friction, and so we can resolve your issues faster. Information on your subscription, as well as screenshots, are very useful. A member of our customer success team should be in contact with you in less than 24 hours. That's how easy and fast it is to get in contact with support at Beautiful.ai.